Okay, hi guys.
Good afternoon.
Well, we just got back from our little trip to Walnut Canyon,
We
which
have no
was
walnuts to eat, so
it was really good. I liked it. We'll have a video out soon. But today, someone had suggested that we go ahead and maybe cook the fish that we do a video cooking the fish that we caught yesterday. So that's what we're going to do today. This is our first cooking segment. We both like to cook. We actually talked about doing a cookbook at one point, but we've been so busy doing other things, so maybe that will be in the works. But we both like to cook. So today we're going to be cooking our rainbow trout, right?
Oh, okay.
And we are going to we need to go to the grocery store, so we're very limited on our stuff. So I'm just going to simply cook it on the griddle with a little olive oil, and then we'll put some garlic butter over it with some salt and pepper. And then I will show you something else that we're going to put on top of it. So he doesn't even know what I'm doing. So, okay, well, let's get started. All right, let's start the oven first. There's stove. And we're cooking it on our RV stove, our fifth wheel stove. And I'm going to use the 2 burners. I'm just going to keep it pretty low. We don't want our fish to burn. So nice and slow. So we'll put that back on there. Let that heat up. I'll turn it up a little bit. So just bear with us, because this is our first cooking
video.
Cooking segment. So we have our fish that we caught yesterday. We got 6 rainbow trout, and we figured we're going to get about 3 meals out of them. So that's pretty cool. Tracy's all excited about going back.
Hey, we'll get some more.
So I'm just going to put a little bit of salt and pepper on here.
Actually, I think I froze 3 packages, so we got 3 meals froze plus this one.
Okay.
We call it kind of small.
A little salt. And that's about it. Let's see if our pan thing's not quite hot yet. So let's turn that up. All right. Now we just gotta wait for that to warm up.
Right.
I'm gonna put a little butter on here. I like a little butter with my olive oil. If you mix olive oil and butter together, the butter won't burn.
You can see where it's getting at though, too.
Yep. We don't have real garlic, but I'm gonna use this granulated garlic. I mean, you gotta use what you got, right? And we need to go to the grocery store, so we'll be using that when I do that butter and garlic. All right, we're gonna set it right on the grill. This looks like our big fish we caught.
Yeah, one of the big ones.
All right, we'll let that cook.
And we actually got 4 really nice ones and 2 littler ones.
Yeah. Put that over here. While that's cooking, I'm going to do something else. So I have this, we're even out of spices. So I'm like really trying to find things in the pantry that we can use. And what this is, actually I bought for my granddaughter, she's selling it for a fundraiser, and it's called Pepper Jack. It's actually, they say to put cream cheese in it, and sour cream. It's like a dip kind of thing, but it's got red and green bell peppers, minced onion, white cheddar cheese powder, some salt, and other spices. So what I'm going to do, instead of making it like a dip, I'm going to put mayo in it and make it like a, what do you call that? You put on like a tartar sauce kind of thing. Let's see if that works.
Yeah. Bet you guys can't smell this. It's starting to smell pretty good.
So, you can't see what I'm doing, but I put mayo in there. I'm going to mix it all up like a tartar sauce. And we'll see how it tastes. When you're out of stuff in your pantry, you kind of have to improvise. That's usually how I cook anyway. I usually don't measure anything. Unless it's baking. Baking's different. If you're baking, you probably should measure things. But sometimes I don't even follow the recipe for those either. Put some more mayo in there.
Have you ever set a timer when you're baking?
No.
Right.
I don't set a timer. I thought Tracy thought it was funny. I don't set a timer. I don't need a timer. Usually what I do is just, I can tell by the smell.
That's the first time she baked something, I'm like, well, here's how you set timers. She goes, I don't set no timer.
I don't set a timer. Actually, that's pretty good. It's a little crunchy though.
Okay.
It has to set in the sauce first. So we'll put that in the refrigerator and let that set. That could be good.
That smells really good.
Alright, let's probably turn these, huh? Oh look, the skin's coming off. I don't know how to cook trout.
Neither one of us do.
That's a good sign though.
Yep.
Look at that. Take that skin off in a minute. Yay!
I know some people probably are stuttering right now
For what?
because they took the skin off of it. Neither one of us really likes to eat the skin.
Oh, I don't like eating skin on any, like, no, not on fish.
I spent many years, of course, fishing and eating fish in Michigan, and that's where all the toxins and the mercury and stuff is. So whenever you can not eat the skin,
Alright.
we even spent the time and scaled these.
He took the bones out because lake trout, rainbow trout, lake trout, I guess,
Ah, bones.
have a lot of bones in them.
And I got tired of picking them with the tweezers, so I cut them out. We're going to see if this works.
Alright. And I'm going to put some butter on them. Like I said, this is going to be really simple. And I wish I had real garlic, but I don't. So I'll let that melt. I'll put a little salt and pepper on this side too. And like I said earlier, I'm going to put a little garlic on there. Garlic powder. If I had real garlic, I'd make real garlic butter. I love garlic butter. And what we plan on having with it is rice and beans and green beans, because that's all we have. All right, we'll be back in a minute and we'll show you our plates. Okay, there's our finished plate. Our rainbow trout, green beans, rice and beans, and the stuff on the right hand side of the fish is that sauce kind of stuff that I made for the top of the fish. So Tracy's gonna be our guinea pig and try the fish first.
Okay. Very good fish.
Is the fish good? Mm-hmm. You don't have to eat that other stuff if you don't want to.
It's a little crunchy.
It's a little crunchy.
Let's try the fish though.
Good trout?
Yeah. It's kind of a salmon texture, but not salmon taste. There's no fishiness.
No fishiness? That's good. All right, cool. That is cool. All right, guys. Thank you for coming along on our first cooking video. We'll get better at it. All right. Thanks, guys. Peace.